Hello everyone, my name is Nikita and I am a senior product designer at India Assets. India Assets is one of the India's first wealth tech company. I would like to share this with you. Like I'm recently got promoted as a senior designer here, and I'm very much thankful to my manager, my company for believing in me. I would also like to thank designers because the way they teach you, like step by step, you get to learn things. They have different activities, they give you good examples how you can create it in real life. They give you a topic based on what is trending right now. Like that, you design your app step by step, they'll guide you for that. But at the end, when you are making your portfolio or creating your portfolio, that will help you a lot because your basic knowledge about UI UX will be clear till the end. I still remember when I joined the course, I was really nervous, like how my mentor will be. I'll be able to do it or not. Will he teach like some bookish language, or will he be like a strict teacher or something? He'll make you, your mentor, whoever it will be, they'll make you very easy for you to learn the course. That they'll teach you in a way, like they'll give you such examples of the real life what they have faced in their company, as they are not school teacher or something, they are working profession. So they'll make you understand things like very easily in a very hassle free way. I'm really thankful to Tahir for guiding me for everything. For UI UX, I would say that when I decided to join designers for this course, then I got to know that they are teaching from the scratch. Saying the same thing and doing the same thing is totally different. But yeah, I would say that really you'll get to know. When I decided, I was not knowing the ABC of UI UX, but now I would say I know something at least. Like my basic knowledge is clear about UI UX. So I think that was a good decision to join designers for this course. For my placement, I would like to say I had 4 rounds of interviews. So first round was just introduction to that person. There were 2 people who took my interview, and I had to explain my portfolio, the whole portfolio, and they were really impressed by that. You can't spend so much of time in explaining your portfolio because no interviewer will give you that much of time. I would like to mention that whenever you are explaining your portfolio, try to be very short, very specific with your portfolio, and also try to explain everything, whatever is present in your portfolio, each and every part of your portfolio. So a lot of people ask me this question. They approached me on LinkedIn, and they asked me how was the experience. You can see it from my happiness that I'm totally happy. I'm very thankful to designers for this guidance, the way they teach you, all the experience and everything. I really appreciate, because the position where I am right now is somewhere because of them, because that was my first step for